Well, the most important thing with food addiction is learning how to manage cravings. And we have really 5 steps to do that. We call them our 5 Ds. Our first one is distract. So when you're having a food craving, try to distract yourself with something else. A conversation with someone, doing a crossword puzzle, getting engaged with a television show. The second is delay. Promise yourself that you are not going to give in to that craving for at least 10 minutes. If at the end of the 10 minutes you need to give in, then that's fine, but make sure you put that delay in there. Distance is the third D word. Putting distance between yourself and the thing that you are craving to eat. That means taking a walk, going outside, going for a drive, just getting away from the food. Fourth is determine. Determine what you're really seeking. Lots of times people aren't really hungry. They're looking for companionship. They're looking for comfort. They're looking for some sort of stimulation. Determine what you really need. And the 5th D is decide. Make a decision about whether you want to eat and if you are willing to take the consequences of eating. If you're not, then you'll make a different decision.